The Magic Edit feature on Canva is absolutely brilliant. Not only can it transform entire images that you have in Canva, but you can also make subtle or small edits to pictures that you've got simply by typing or talking into Canva. So I'm going to start off with this graphic that I've made using AI about the different layers of the rainforest for my class. I want to make it a little bit more realistic while still keeping that kind of like childlike playfulness to make sure the students are engaged. So I'm going to tap onto the picture and press Edit, and then we're going to choose Magic Edit. Now from here you can type into that box, but I quite often find it easier to press Dictate on the keyboard and then talk straight into Canva. Let's turn this image into a more photorealistic version, keeping all the animals and text the same, but just making it look a bit more realistic. Then when I tap on here, Canva's going to start analysing that image with that blue bar going across, and then before you know it, it's made that edit for me. Now to begin with, it might look a little bit pixelated, but as soon as you close the Magic Edit screen, you then get the full resolution version of that image. And immediately it looks completely different. Of course it's kept all the key elements, but it doesn't look quite so cartoony anymore. Let's push it one step further and try and remove all of the text from this page and just have the graphic itself so that my students can label it in their own time. We'll go back into Magic Edit, and this time we'll simply type in remove all text from this poster. Then when I tap onto Edit, just like that, it's gone. I've now taken an AI-generated image and created a really useful lesson resource that's engaging and fun, and I've done it in less than 2 minutes. That's the magic of Canva, and if you want to see what else your iPad can do, do check out this quick tip next.